Hi guys, in this video we will be going through simultaneous equations, so linear simultaneous equations, and the method that we will use to solve these equations will be the elimination method. So let's get started with an example. So we have 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 4, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. So for the elimination method, there's 4 key steps that we need to undertake. So the first step is to match coefficients. What that means is basically to equate one of the coefficients. So if you choose the x coefficient, then you need to try and get it so that they match, so that you can eliminate it. And that is the second step, which is to eliminate one of the variables. And then it just becomes a regular linear equation, which can be quite relatively simple to solve. So once you eliminate that, you find the other variables. So say, example, we eliminated x, then you can solve for y. So you just find the other variable. And then finally, once you find that variable, so you found y, and then just basically input it back into the either equation, and then you just solve for x. So solve for the other variable. So let's get started with that. So I'm gonna name the equations 1 and 2. So we have 3x plus 5y, let me just write them again, minus 2x plus 3y. So how can we equate these to each other? So we can times the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3, and then we get 6x for the first x term. And that's basically what we'll do right now. So we'll times equation 1 times it by 2, and equation 2 times it by 3. So what do we get? So we get 6x plus 10y is equal to minus 8. And then if you do the second equation, we get minus 6x plus 9y is equal to 27. So now we can see that we've equated the first variable, so we've equated x to each other, and we can we can add the two equations together. So we can add, so if we name these equations 3 and 4 now, so if we add equation 3 plus 4, what we'd get is the 6x being eliminated, so the x variable will get eliminated, and then you just add the other variables, and then you'd get a linear equation. So this is what it would look like. So we would have 19y is equal to 19. So essentially this goes to 0. That is 10y, and minus 8 plus 27 is 19. And then from here it's just simple maths over 19, which is equal to 1. So we have y is equal to 1. So we found the first variable, and now if we input this back into either equation, so I'll choose equation 1. So what do we have? So we have 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to 1, so that's 3x plus 5 is equal to minus 4. 3x is equal to minus 4, because we have to bring it to that side, so we're minusing it. So minus 5, which is equal to minus 9. 3x is equal to minus 9, and then x is equal to, divided by 3, You get minus 9 over 3, so x is minus 3. So we found both of the variables, so x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 1. And that is how you solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method.